Once I know all my students have completed my student PACE Pear Deck module, if I click End, I could say, yes, I'm sure to end this session, and then it would allow me to end this session and publish takeaways. When it does that, it's going to actually allow me to produce the responses, but also if I was using a Google Classroom or I wanted to share the takeaways, the results with my students, I could copy this link and share it with them as well. And then I can return home. And when I click return home, I'm back at the Pear Deck main screen. And if I would like to look at my sessions, I can click on sessions here. And now my using Slack Pear Deck example is now closed instead of currently being opened. From this screen, if I click on the three dots and choose Export to Spreadsheet, it will then load my responses into a Google spreadsheet. And when I look at my spreadsheet, I can see the names, and each slide that had a Pear Deck question would be in its own column that I can then go in and export that data or use that data.